Hi my friends, today we model this part, a cylindrical cam which has a contour with a channel for a cam. The drawing is this one, and you have all the necessary dimension as well as an unfolded view of the cam channel. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, sketch, XY. We start by modeling the cam channel. The main problem with this part, 70 on 4 millimeters is the first contour, closed contour. We project the x-axis as a center line, x-axis, and we place dimensions, diameters. The only one is 70, and we must make coincident center point with the left side of this contour. Revolve, and this is the first volume. Next is the unfolded view. We select tangent to surface, parallel to plane. This is the surface and the plane is this one. Why? Because we create here that unfolded view. I rotate this and you see the contour. This is the contour. This line, bottom line, is 70 multiplied by p or pi. The length of this external cylinder. Yes, 70 multiplied by p is the unfolded length of the circumference of this circle. Then we take care to have the same end like the start. 20 millimeters here, 20 millimeters here. 35 degrees, 35 degrees to have a continuity at the ends. Then the other dimensions, radius 15, 30 degrees, radius 38 and radius 30, and two dimensions here, 85.88, 89.6. Let's draw the contour. We draw some lines here, one of 20, another one horizontal and vertical. These two ends must be equal, as I said. Then both or all three of them must be construction lines. I place the center point of this horizontal here to the center point of the sketch, and the distance or the length is 70 multiplied by pi. Be careful with capital letters here. Okay. Now we draw lines and arcs. First line, we continue with an arc as we can draw a tangent line, again tangent, then an arc, horizontal, an arc, and right to the end, equals. These two arcs are equal. These two arcs are also equal. Here is 15. And this is 30. 35 degrees. .35, 8 millimeters here. I want to keep all in a correct orientation, and again equal or parallel, not equal but parallel, are these two lines. Okay, now that horizontal dimension this dimension is 85.88. Okay, this was too short, so that I move the horizontal. Yes. And the other dimension is to this point of 89.6. Only one dimension is missing, but I don't know which one. Oh, this angle, 30 degrees. Good. We have a fully constrained sketch now. Finished sketch. Hide this plane, and we have to place this contour on the cylindrical face. How can we do this, my friends? How? We use 3D sketch and we select project to surface, and we select wrap to surface. What is the face? This is the face. what are the curves? The curves are all that ones from the sketch. I place in this position and I select all this. Now if I go to right, I don't select the end lines up and down. All this was not selected. Let's see. Now it is. They are selected, yes? Okay. Now we see a green line around this cylinder. And we are interested to see where is the connection. The connection is here, my friends, because this small line and this small line are that ones. We don't see here any gap. Yes, they are connected end to end very well. Finish sketch, 3D sketch. We hide the 2D sketch and we can continue with the channel. To do this, we create a special plane normal to curve at point. This is where the plane must be. This one. And we create a sketch. F7. We have this point and we draw a rectangle. To have room for our construction, we make coincident these 2 points, but this was not projected, so I do this. I select only the point, this center point to the projected point. If you take a look here, you see that 15 is the dimension, horizontal dimension for that channel, 15. And the other dimension is 10. No problem. Finish sketch. I hide this plane. And what is the tool, my friends, now? I ask you. The tool is sweep. The rectangle was selected and we have to select only the curve. You see, we cut this object with our large volume. Okay. I didn't hide this. I don't know. Okay, we have the channel. Next, we create a new sketch on this face and we apply extrude for the internal contour, extrude this to what? To this face. Okay, good. Now we take a look to the drawing, because we have to create this internal volume. Dimensions 52, 56, 18, 15, 24. Let's do this. We select the plane XY and the sketch F7, line. To here, down, horizontal, up, and we connect this. We draw the axis. Let me apply center line from the beginning, not center line, and we continue by closing the area. Dimensions. Left is 52. Internal is 24. And to the right is 56. 18 and 15. 18, 15. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve, and we wait to see by selecting cut. Okay. Good. The drawing, we have 6 holes here on a circle of 40. Diameter is 6. Okay. We select this face as the plane for a sketch, and we draw a line of 40 divided by 2. We don't calculate by heart. Never, ever. Now, hole of 9. This is the point through, not 9, 6. It was selected because I made before this model, of course. Okay. Now I apply chamfers of 1, 1 to the ends. Okay. And chamfers here of also 1. One, you see, but different from the other. You know why? Okay, because this hole, and its chamfers must be placed on a circular pattern. I select the hole, then the chamfer 2. You see, I cannot select this, which are 2, not 1. You see, what is the axis? The axis is X. I select axis from here because this is the axis of the part. Okay, that's all, my friends. Yes, let's see what is the material. The material is stainless steel, as usual. Now let's make a rough comparison between this and this. Oh, what is this? There is a difference, a big difference. This is too long. The first sketch is the problem. 70, my friends. The dimension is 50. I was captivated by this and I was wrong. Double click. 50. This is a adaptive system. If you work with AutoCAD, for instance, you cannot change dimensions to modify the part. You create part and apply dimensions, not vice versa. Finish sketch. Up. Good. Now, but let's apply home. And now we have the same, but without edges, shaded, simple shaded. And now the difference is no more evident, so that we go to volume. Let's see the truth. Where is the truth? Physical, update, volume, copy, close, IDW, double click, and the value. There is a very small difference at the 6th rank in the row, so that we ignore this. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.